This is the performance summary for the weekly reversion strategy for week ending July 31st. Let's start by inputting the current account balance into the spreadsheet. So last week I lost just a little bit, down $128, which is a percentage loss of negative 0.7%. And these were the 5 positions held in the portfolio over the week. First one was AMAT, Applied Materials. That one was down 6%. And this is what the trade looked like for AMAT. We bought the dip of the prior week and got in here on Monday's open and sold here on Friday's close for a loss. Next one is Google. That was the best trade of the week, up 9.6%. And after earnings last week, Google had a pretty big sell-off. It ended last week quite a bit lower. And so we bought it Monday at the open here, sold it here on Friday for a very nice gain. Third one is INTC, Intel, down 2.4. So this was the dip for Intel. And so we bought here and we sold here for a loss. Next one is LRCX, Lam Research, down 4.3%. And we bought here, and there was an earnings pop midweek, and we sold here. And it still ended up a little negative. Last one is TXN, Texas Instruments. We bought it here, and we sold it here. And let's input the current balance into our cumulative tab. So since going live with this version of the algorithm in April 2025, the account is up 47.6%. And this is what the equity curve of the actual account growth looks like. And let's look at the performance of the strategy long term. Here's the backtest going from 1994 to present date. And over that time frame, the annualized rate of return for weekly reversion is 19.9% compared to only 8.9% for the benchmark S&P 500. And year to date, the strategy is up 16.9% compared to the S&P 500, which is up about only 9%. Year to date. And this is what the equity curve looks like back tested back to 1994. And the gray line is the benchmark S&P 500. So if you'd like to learn more about weekly reversion, or you'd like to sign up for my signal service where I email you the stock picks on a weekly basis, please visit my website at returnstream.com. Link is below. Thank you.